man Ghana mu hanim se ha bejo pan de nye nde nye ochina nkrofo bi wo ha o ma foforo no bi anom de frofro no e na nsem ni bi so ho no ma utie sa nsem yi mu pa de a utunu se nsem we mu die ya ni mesa ya man Ghana mu hanim se aya din ye pa na bi mu ka se ya de a ya nkasa ya papa ya de nyina ado gagai ado show boy Kwaku Williams ya nkasa ya president His Excellency President Akufo-Addo ai bema papa bi bema bi ono nsinsuo mu ansa wa ham ebi mo ka se na mo no so na mamu na ma o man Ghana mu han mu si aye den pa ama sa wona o kanchema na sa wona o girlfriend wo kunu ana sa wo yele kra ho no ma untumi mbo akonhoma ye ama mba ni ye mbum bema no sese krampo ni nyina ye yankasa ya papa yi amemmom na ni nyina ye nkokoda nchen ende no ya nya nti ye se eyade yankasa ya papa ya bra ya de nyina Kofi Annan ekokopie mu ewo fifi prat show so ewo Kingdom FM na bra ekokopie mu o ne nsem bia o ka no o ka se eyade a wo hu se ye Ghana ha no mu se nkrofo bi abopopa de tia yankasa ya papa ya de nyina adogagai ado show boy Kwaku Williams His Excellency say wama nyema mu aye din to mo bopo no maku na sei na yankasa ya bra Kofi Annan actually nsem
because yet here
alleged plot here wo kaninya nyina ekwamai your president.
Yeah. Yeah.
See a PC unifuel.
That is what the report says. Not according to Kwaku Annan, no.
The make a report in our
Yes. A highly classified report. How we got it, that is inconsequential here. But I said a while ago, say, report to some bunkro be din wom.
One more year, I bear move for an answer outside it.
Oh, very interesting question. Oh, Obino Bekazo say, they are conspirators of both outside and inside all join hands in this chorus. Now, why they are going that direction? The source is covert. It's covert. Second report revealed how I can give a bit clarity to this second reporter. And no extra the appointment into the hierarchical of the military. Our believe says our appointment in Ankoye under the auspices of President Akufo-Addo. And this is generating a certain inertia within the top brass of the armed forces. And where how that would also lead to answering meaning. But reports need be now to clear everything. The Tosu and 9 report no bebre mienuni na a copy office of the president. Just like this was there how many years ago, and they kept quiet on it until who and how this report leaked to the press. And ye name who say, hey, debut president, you had what it takes to do what is right, but you didn't do it. Into a fina semne pia, a few tries to obey what we call the fire service approach and crisis management. Really, I have always named them this way. 3 things. They create the problem, they react to the problem, and then they bring solution. 3. Why is it Illuminati for no? Why is it the New World Order for no? They create the problem, they react to the problem before somebody solution about. How many Ghanaians know meaning say we never that are the one. And this our report here may come once me I'm scared of it, but then yes, Vivi, I am very disturbed. What's your memo how? One day pe ye be bompayo ye mompayo. We all wake up one day on the 24th of July, and the moon kum kata on my way to say bam dakope. And they can ye dear a story of the past. The late Evans Fifi Atamels. I kwamiti they know. Look, nyami ana mbetne fi ha. Me say no, President Akufo-Addo me born abaso about the sa read na course that events meli na course wa shaman say yes. And so bo president na baso umpena samo ade bi wono wo ye na ekoyi bona baso ho me say no, sa de na course wa shaman na se so makwan ma soldier fo no koye de se na fata e ma ho se se won sa shaman order eye adwuma bibia de na kwam. Sanity. It's one per president na sempo for the very fact that we nipa or no na some moment we ye did to me na man no. Ese wo boa na otumi ye ni oye bibi na enya ya obetimi aya na say give him the criticism befitting. Case closed. Na Ghana for ni nya na say criticism no eno ntia say ye dey tiny pa no.
Maybe so last question now your fans also. Do you think say your president the ministers no ebinomo sabotage no?
Oh God of Israel. Too much But you see Fifi Mamenka went on the lighter note. Any baby I won Wednesday biano. Unfortunately you are not. But obi I won Wednesday biano on your chips out. I swear to God. On your easy sir. Name one say President Akufo-Addo. Why so loses why na walk over. As I say you be or you kukudro for wood just an new spirit you do ye. Kaneno na sana no what but odra beni mwa pet and omoye na walk over.
Yeah, fellow Ghanaians, your friend Tvgh Annan, the doubting Thomas. Me wo any jesem sunkubi edebrew. Di obi a pen dachi biano, and when one juma ena oye. Se opese wo YouTube dachi, and I say wo social media handles no dachi, eye perfect dia, then eye baby back. Ozitech, oho ene betumi aboa ama wetumi advance. Na me catch you say Ozitech ombeboa ama wo social media handles ni na akoso they will boost it for you. Facebook ombebusto ama Twitter ombebusto ama TikTok ombebusto ama Instagram ombebusto ama na de wo mu kura ne say YouTube no hwe eba no subscribers ombebusto ama eba no followers ombebusto ama eba no watch hours and also ombebusto ama yes say and drop baby wona na wo na so obi stand subscriber e sign add up umpewe na opede kaya moto ba na ze de na me catch us omo mpeso mu making money ewo eye social media handles no say from YouTube or social bia ewo social media handles na de me say Ozitech and the beboa ama we making money ema wo nyambo every month bia you make money I bet me a sustain you ewo abrabonum ombema wenya from 0 viewers to a million umpewe na opede kaya moto mbium se wope Ozitech echira kwan a enye rira kwan kra ma me fa number no ntubia se de be abetuna from na opese ukosua anase opese u boost eye social media handles na oni omu bedidwa eye 0598 697619. Me repeat number ni the amount 0598 697619. Ozitech na or say you make money every month.
Video ye kokoshe ye humesi osi kasa na nam so magana fo kasa papa ka wanu tum o kasa dodo o te se wan kasa wura me pese me body because me body na no wan hwe ye o chena nkwa no me na wamete agaw eti me mboni wura ni din ya fa hye wa odi ni wura ni din no ba ye se me nkan pato me ntumi nka ya hye mo background metumi aka de akyewa na so bi obeso hu ni wura ni din no metumi aka de akyewa ebi mo so ka se so fu bi so be comment se ya do no so krampo hu ye say enkrofobia bopo e de tie yankasa ya papa nti den na mo ya fa ho munye bibi mfa ho moye bibi fa ho ya mo fa comment ni beto comment section wo se na be ya ho me chan metumi akenkan e de amamo kan hu se social media platform ni so nyina na attention tv nti bobo ho mo de aso be like wa share no wa comment e wo ye videos ni nyina eso ade o hia mo abonti abom samra ne from ohima echa